Hey, Webster City Middle School. I'm Clay.
And I'm Mary. Today is December 8th, 2010.
And it's our 10th show of From the Middle. Oh.
Hey, don't throw that away. Recycle.
Alright. I wonder what the 5th graders are doing about recycling.
It doesn't take a scientist to figure that out. Let's go see what they're up to. Hi, this is Nicole. In science, we are learning about evaporation. We have been doing a water evaporation project where we left a wet paper towel in a cup with a lid underneath of one cup, and we put a lid on top of the other cup and placed them on a scale. We left them there for a day, and when we came back to school the next day, we saw the cup with the lid on top weighed more because the water vapor could not escape the cup. This was a very fun and interesting topic to learn about. Now to Sarah for another 5th grade report.
Hey there, WCMS. Sarah here with a report on recycling. In WCMS, we do not recycle as much as we really should. So in my Project Explorer class, we are going through 6 steps of problem solving to figure out how we can make WCMS recycle more. There are also changes in the paper we can recycle.
Colored paper and construction paper. Paper that's been colored on with marker.
Lightweight cardboard such as Kleenex boxes.
Brochure paper and paper folders.
There are a lot of things that we are not currently recycling that could be, such as plastics. We will soon begin doing more recycling during breakfast and lunch, such as
juice bottles,
water bottles,
and cereal containers.
We are already recycling corrugated cardboard and tin cans from the kitchen and newspapers.
We can still recycle glass jars from the concession stand.
Way to go, green. Now to the anchors.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
To stop global warming.
And program computers.
What?
Oops. Well, anyway, did you go to the computer programming event on Thursday?
I couldn't make it, but I hear all about it from the 6th graders.
Hi, Trent here, and you're about to find out what wonders lie in computer programming. First, some of the 5th and 6th grade students that are in Project Explorer got invited to a computer programming class in the West Discovery Lab from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock p.m. It was taught by a professor who works at Iowa State University. He hopes to get people to like computer programming so they either have that as a job or switch to that job that could be a better paying job. This is how he showed us how to do computer programming. First, he made us pull up a document called Scratch, which we do all of the computer programming on. Then, he showed us how to make a sprite, or figure, move in all sorts of directions. You can choose computer programming to be your job in the future, but it's up to you. Now, back to the anchors.
So, Clay, are you good at storytelling?
Not really, but I enjoy reading.
Let's go to the 7th graders to see how they're making digital stories.
Ever wonder what it's like to be a pencil, an agenda? Well, I'm Emily, and I'm here to tell you all about digital storytelling, where the 7th graders have to do just that. First, you pick a topic to focus on, like this agenda. Then you write out a little story about a day in the life of an agenda. After that, you go around and take a bunch of pictures with the agenda in different places like the gym or our room. Then you use the cool online program that Mrs. Austin Hoos taught us all about. On the program, you put the pictures in order, write text over top of them, use music, or use a microphone to narrate it. The end result is a cool digital story. Now to Chris with more 7th grade news.
Hey Webster State Middle Schoolers, I'm Chris and this is another amazing report from the middle. This time we'll be discussing guidance. Right now in guidance, we're going over violence and the effects it has on you and everyone around you. But we like to have fun with things. Because we don't just talk about it, we do activities like these posters, which have categories about things in our lives, such as movies or music. Then we came up with violent things that came into each category. All these fun things help us to make the right decisions in life. In guidance, we also fill out a journal that rates our mood and tells why. Guidance is pretty fun too. We like to sing. Take it away, Dalton.
Oh, caught in a bad romance.
It's peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, and baseball bat. Now back to the anchors.
The first Noel.
Are you warming up for the Christmas concert?
Yeah, it's the most wonderful time of the year.
Enough of the caroling now.
Okay, from now on, I'll leave the singing to the chorus.
Let's go to the 8th grade to see how that concert is coming along.
And how we're doing in science.
Hey WCMS, this is Maddie. In 8th grade science class, we are learning about chemical reactions. We started off this unit by observing a mystery mixture, then we wafted it, looked at the texture, and compared it with 9 other substances. Then we added 10 drops of water. Now, let's try the mystery mixture. Here we go! After we observed that, we then tried to figure out the two substances of the mystery mixture. Some substances did or did not have a reaction. We then later found out that there was only a total of 7 combinations that did have a reaction. Even though our teachers won't tell us what the two substances are, we have a pretty good idea. After they evaporated, we looked at the product left behind. The evaporated one is the one in the middle. This is really cool. I really enjoyed it, and I'm sure everyone else did too. While I keep testing these substances, let's go to Courtney.
Hey WCMS, it's Courtney. Monday, December 13th is the 7th and 8th grade chorus concert. The concert starts at 7 p.m. with the 7th grade performing first. They will be singing Feliz Navidad, He is Born the Holy Child, Mary Mary, and A Festive Holiday. The 8th graders will be performing Rio Rio Chio, Hush My Babe, Wishbone, and Ring Out Wild Bells. Both 7th and 8th graders will be performing Sing with the Angels, and at the very end of the show, everyone will be singing a Christmas medley. Everyone has been working really hard. I hope to see you all there. Now back to Clay and Mary.
Deck the halls with balls of holly.
I thought we agreed no more caroling.
Yeah, I guess. I think I'm going to keep with learning about the elements.
Well, you keep up with that, and we'll see you next time. From the middle.